Okay, this is your video review for your e-commerce project. Scriven Leaf. All right, cool. So the first thing that I notice is that these buttons are a little bit dark. Maybe just lightening up the text a little bit using, say, this white for the text would make them a little more readable. So that's just one thing that I would focus on. Also, maybe changing the background color for this stripe or this ribbon, maybe getting rid of the border. Those are just suggestions, but I think you should play with it a little bit. Okay, other things, you have Scriven Leaf here and down here, so you have it in both places. I'd like for you to avoid using the default font and change it from a sans serif to from a serif to a sans serif font throughout the site. Okay, and sans serif examples would be Arial, Verdana. It's those fonts that don't have these little feet or serifs, the little flourishes on the end of the sticks. Okay. This text down here at the bottom, you need to set the LVFHA, okay, in other words, the link states, such that you don't get just this default purple after they've been visited, because it's very difficult to read on this brown background. Okay, good. Journals. All right, so here's the thing. These images all look like they align to the right. So when I maximize this window, what I see is everything moving over to the far right. I think that it should either be centered or move to the left. So I'd like you to take a look at that. Okay, and then I think if you introduce some margin such that the image was pushed away from the division border, that might look a little bit better. Okay, I do like what you've done here. So you show me a larger image and you show me the details, so that's cool. And then you kind of simulate that you can add it to a cart and order it. It doesn't do anything and it's not supposed to at this point, so that's fine. Okay, so I like you've got a gallery here as well, and it performs the same way. Order. What I would like for you to do here is a couple of things. I would like for you to keep this in a table, but get rid of the border on the table and make it a two-column table. And make it where the labels are in the first column and the fields are in the second column. Okay, that's what I would do. And just get rid of these borders. Set border 0. And the about. Let's take a look there. Yeah, that's fine. All right, now let's go back and let's look at your code here. All right, the cascading style sheet code should be in an external file, so you need to work that out. And you've got 2 style tags here, so get rid of one of them. Okay, this looks fine. For any image that you have, you need to add an ID. So all images need to have an ID, even the banner. Okay, what else? I'll probably miss some things here, but what you should do is go back over the requirements and just check off one at a time that you have them. You've got site route relative paths. That's good. And that's just all I noticed right off the top of my head. So yeah, I think that this looks fine. Make those changes and then resubmit it. All right, this is